cows. Tell the cows hi.
Hi, cow.
Look at that one back in the corner. He's so cute.
Oh, I can see it perfectly.
Can't see him, but
The mommy cow is just leaving the baby.
hi, baby cow.
It's so
Can't see his face.
It's so cute.
He's so cute.
We just have to get off.
No, we can't get off.
We take the baby cow.
Look at he's looking at us. He's so little. He's so little and cute.
Hey, Zach, I'm coming over to the baby cow.
That's his mama.
Mama.
Mhm.
And the dad just left the baby cow.
Oh, thought the mama was gonna lay on him. How sweet.
Please, we just need to adopt the baby cow. Try to stomp on it.
Look at her. She's coming to visit. She's gonna come all the way up here. Watch. She says, "Who we got here? Let me go see the little girls."
It's dancing. It's dancing. Look at.
Hi, beautiful.
Looks like a dot, like.
Aren't you beautiful? Thank you for coming to see us. Bye. She goes, humans. Look at her. She was trying to get that cow, the bull.
That's so cute.
Look at all the horses over there. She was funny, huh? Here she comes again.
She's dancing.
She's dancing.
Look at her head.
The dancing horsey. Ooh, don't smell that. That's stinky.
I thought let's call her the Mia dancing horse.
The who?
Mia dancing horse.
Mia?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually, it's a boy. Oopsie.
See?
It's a boy. We just realized it's a boy.
How about let's name him dancing.
Dancing? His name is Dancing.
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 If it was a girl, I should have named it Rainbow Dancing.
Those crazy horses.
Should we go near them?
Look at them. Ooh,
Let's go.
look at them. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, look at that horse.
Look at them, look at them.
Oh, Dancing's coming back.
Dancing's coming back.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, look at those silly horses.
They're really funny.
They get bored. They said, let's challenge you. I'll challenge you.
I see another horse back there.
Those other horses over there too are getting crazy. I think they're showing off for us. That's what they're doing. They're showing off for us.
Hey, there's a cow back there. On my side, there's a cow.
Mm-hmm.
Not from right here.
Look, there's three crazy horses. Look at them. What?
There's a fly.
Oh no, a fly.
Whoa, look at those.
All those birds. Look at those birds.
That's so funny. That's a lot of birds.
Whoa. 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 Look at that. Crazy. Whoa.
That's really beautiful.
It's beautiful, huh?
No, look at the splash. Look at those birds.
Look at the birds again. Woo!
Oh, look at that old cow.
Look at that cow giving up. She wants to come see us. She said, what's going on? She don't like us. She said, ah. She said, we weren't ready for company today. Please excuse our stench. Look at those two back there. They're so cute. Look at them. Look at them.
Look at baby cow. Look at.
I love me cows.
Huh?
I love cows.
I love baby cow. They're cute. And I also like Bradley cow.
Oh, you like Bradley cow? We'll go visit Bradley cow.
Right now?
In a few minutes.
No, right now. We need to go see
Okay,
Brad.
we'll go see Brad. Say bye, cows. See you later. Smell you later.
Hey, don't say that.
A rainbow. Where? Ooh, there's a rainbow up there. I don't know if I can get it, but it's up there.
I don't see it.
Brad, you're hiding behind the bush.
We're here again.
We're back.
I don't really see it.
Brad.
Bradley. Brad! Bradley! Oh, yep, he still got super promoted.
The closest I'll ever get to a buffalo. at you. Aren't you beautiful? You guys are beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi, H05. Hi.